Hi, Makere here from Unleashed, and today I'm going to show you 2 ways to improve cash flow in your business using our Advanced Inventory Manager module. The first way is by spotting dead stock, items that are just sitting on shelves instead of turning into profit. Let's do that by checking all the lines of beer my business sells. What I'm going to do first is filter down to the products I want, and then jump into the modeling view. Now I can sort all these products by rate of demand to see what's moving and what's not. And because our beers are fast-moving items with fairly short shelf lives, I'll focus my date range to the past 3 months of demand. Straight away, I can see 2 of my products have had 0 demand in the past 3 months. This is cash sitting on our shelves, not turning into profit, and costing our business. What I like to do next is add a dead stock filter to my list, which removes products that have been selling. Now when I check the summary, it's showing me the total value of all this dead stock, its real cost to our business. Clearly, I need to make a plan to move these products off our shelves as soon as possible. So I'll export the list to discuss with my team later. I'll also set the min-max levels to 0, so I know we won't be spending more on replenishing these lines anytime soon. With that job done, I can show you the second way AIM improves cash flow, which is by matching your order quantities to your real-world needs. I'll switch the filter from dead to livestock, so I know I'm looking at products that have had recent sales. This is where AIM does all the heavy lifting for me and instantly calculates ideal order quantities based on the current lead times and rate of demand. I just need to add a few buffer days for safety, hit calculate, and new min and max stock levels are suggested. Reviewing the list, I check the current stock on hand next to the new minimum quantities, and I see I have no stock out risk or urgent reorders required today. And when I click submit, I can see I've trimmed my maximum stock level for this product by a full 20%. That means I'll be spending less in each purchasing cycle, as well as keeping my warehousing costs low.